Stop drinking boring smoothies. These 5 smoothies will boost your energy, focus, metabolism, and even your skin. The Energy Booster. Need an instant energy boost? This smoothie is packed with natural caffeine from cacao and long-lasting fuel from chia seeds. The brain feel struggling to focus? This brain-boosting smoothie is loaded with antioxidants and healthy fats to sharpen your mind. The Metabolism Booster. Want to speed up your metabolism? Green tea and ginger torch fat, while pineapple makes it taste amazing. The Glow Up Smoothie. Get glowing skin and a stronger immune system with this vitamin-packed smoothie. The Sleep Well Smoothie Tossing and Turning at Night. This smoothie is rich in melatonin to help you sleep like a baby. Which smoothie do you need most? Drop a piña colada in the comments and save this video.